going to give a what? A insert. Siya ito hatag. Representation or numerical representation for each of the category nga nasa gender. Okay. So, natay gender nga naka one hot encoding. One hot encoding nga pag male siya, male is 0, female 1. So this is one hot encoding. Okay. Magkano to siya value? Pag male siya, male is 0, no? Male is 0. Ano naman siya? Okay, so male, 0 ang tanan atong male. So 1 nini ang atong female. Baliktad, no? Dapat 1 ang female. 1 ang male. Yeah. Naman ine. Ano naman de. Okay. So, natin problema. Ang atong gender numerical, ang atong age numerical. So, we're now going to perform the formula. So, based on the formula, Euclidean distance, QI, which is kanisya. So, 5 minus 32, 5 minus 40, 5 minus kan. So, kanina yun. Si female is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0. Ano na good? So, di ba ang formula niya kihaba-haba? Pero, minus minus plus plus lang pala. So, first, 5. So, that's 5 minus, di ba kani 5 minus 32? Ito para di ito maglibog. It's 5 minus 32, no? Tapos, ay lapit natin to dito. No. Gamihan na to. Ayun. 5 minus 32, tapos, na-minus na siya. Kani siya QI minus PI. Squared din na to siya squared. So, squared, di ba? Pag squared, maglagay ka lang ng tawag nito, caret. Diba? Caret po into. So, na-satisfy na nato ni siya. This one. QI minus PI squared. Ito na siya. Satisfy na natin. Ayun. Siya. Tapos, summation siya sa lahat ng features from I to N. So, how many features do we have? There are 2, no? So, from I to N. 1 to 2. So, ang atong I feature is age. So, kung baga, it's age, Aji age, and Ajay gender. Angelina age, Angelina gender. Ganun siya. So, therefore, this is the first one. Summation siya, i-total na to lahat ng features. I-add na to siya sa the same manner. Ito. So, sunod na po si 1. Diba? Sa gender na po siya, which is si 1, is 1. 1 minus the PI, which is si Ajay. Kaning female. Babae bang Ajay? Ewan ko. Yan siya. Squared na yun. So, squared. Paano mag-squared? Kakalito. Nara na lang. Di rin na ta. Caret 2. So, i-group na to para di ta malibog. Ayun. So, na-summation na nato. Na-perform na nato. Dire. Tapos, square root. Tama ba? Square root sila sa tanan, no? So, kani daw sila tanan is isulod daw nato siya sa sa open and close sa square root. I think it's square search ba? Nangyari. Is Q, ayun, is QRT sa Excel. Ayun siya. Enter. Okay, 27. Ito yung ano niya ba? So therefore, since wala man na to, 5 and 1 man eh, di ba? 5 and 1. This group is all about the age, di ba? 32. And this group is about the gender. I-add na to because it's summation. Summation, di ba? You're going to add everything. You're going to find the total, di ba? It's summation. So, you just have to drag ayun. So now, these are the distances. Klaro na, no? These are the distances nga ato nakuha. Easy na dayon. So since the value of k, we set the value of k, so 3. It would be better that we're going to use odd number for k value, no? So that walay magtay-tay, you know? Especially if it's binary classification. But it's not, it's multi-class man, meaning there's there is more than 2 category. Diba? We have football, cricket, and then neither. Tulo ka category. So 3. So based on the steps for K and N, we need to sort down the Euclidean distance and then you need to find the nearest. So it's K nearest. So yung tatlong pinakamalapit. Number 1, we're going to sort na according order. Ang pinakamalapit na yung distance, this one. Atong i-highlight, si Sarah pala yung pinakamalapit. Kulayan natin si Sarah. Sarah. Siya yung pinakamalapit. And then, what else? After 5, there is 10. Ito yung pinakamalapit. Boom. And then 3 man, the last one, 5, 10. The last one is 15. Okay, so I've completed the number of K, no, the nearest. Ayun lang siya. So what would be the sport for Angelina? So, as the kuan suggests, so si Sarah, nag-cricket, Pooja is 3, Smith is cricket. So therefore, saman, it's dalawang cricket, di ba? Isang neither. So it's 2 versus 3, di ba? It's 2 divided by 3. Siyempre, alam mo na neither yung ano niya. 66%. So the sport for Angelina is cricket. Ayun, yun yung hula. So this is the formula for Euclidean distance, no? Dali lang siya, di ba? Ang k nearest neighbor kung mano-mano na to. Pero if it's 100,000 data gani alam naman ni siya. We only have 10 data. So if it's 100,000, so magpo-formula tayo nito. Abutin tayo ng So other formulas, actually, it's already been computed, no? Sara, yun siya. Manhattan distance and Euclidean distance. Yun siya. So, this is the manual computation man, no? Now we're in the next recorded session, we're going to talk with, I'm going to show the code, no? We're going to simulate the actual code for K-nearest neighbor using scikit-learn. So this concludes the recording lecture for as KNN manual simulation.